Afternoon, this is Ned.
Chichai.
And we are My Philippine Dreams, and I know it's been a while since we did a video, but we've kind of been taking some time off for mental health reasons. No, we actually got a 16-month-old daughter who's driving us crazy. Today we are at Sweetwater Resort, and right now we're just gonna take a quick 10-minute tour of the facilities here. I know I've done this before, but why not do it again? All right, so when you walk through the entrance, you are greeted by the Sweetwater sign, so you know exactly where you are. Now we're gonna head off this way. One of the first things you're gonna notice is the landscaping. It's really nice. The second thing you're gonna notice, and especially in these times, it's got a generator. So if the power goes out, they got a full generator. They can power all the air conditioners and all that. Accommodations here are about what, hon?
The room we got is 1,500.
Okay, so that's about
night.
$30 US.
Yeah.
All right, we'll move along here. There's a little function area. I've seen people get married here. This is nice. They put a tarp over it and everything. It looks nice. Somebody corrected me on these. These are not monkey puzzle trees. For 8 years, I've been calling them monkey puzzle trees. So I'll just stick with that. Monkey puzzle trees. Yeah, lots of plants. Chichai really likes the plants.
That's why I like being here, because of a lot of plants. And I'm planning to ask for cuttings.
Oh yeah, she's gonna be stealing some cuttings. We got a lot of wind right now because it's a Mihan. This is January, so we got the trade winds coming from the northeast, which is actually really nice. So it's always nice and cool down here. This is the dining area. And on a scale of 0 through 100, what would you say the food is?
100.
It's 100, yeah. The food is pretty dang good.
And she's the chef.
And this is the chef right here. And she's shy. She's shy. She's turning away. And they got a Christmas tree, which reminds me, we got to get a Christmas tree now that they're on 50% discount. They also have water if you need fresh water. They have a dog who's very well behaved. Off in the distance there you can see the pool. It's a little greenish right now. They just put chlorine in it yesterday, but it's a very nice pool. And what's good, if you have kids or if you're Filipino, the pool is very shallow. And when I say shallow, right here it's about up to your ankles. So, and it's also good because they got shade over here. Also, and we were doing this yesterday, they have a dedicated karaoke room. And we were cranking out some tunes over there. Of course, Chichai was scoring much higher than I was. And that's just the way it is. Again, there's always a nice breeze down here. If you're looking to get away from the heat and the chaos of the city, it's a nice place to come down for a couple nights. It's only gonna cost you about 60 bucks. Not only is the food good, but unlike many resorts, it's not overpriced. So, like, I think my sisig was about 160 pesos.
Yeah, it's very affordable for food.
And so that's about $3. And if you need some bananas, there's bananas.
This is the tree that I want to ask for cuttings. It's called a chuchi.
This is a chichi tree?
Halachuchi.
Halachuchi tree. Okay.
I like the scent.
You like the scent of it, and that's one thing we need at our house, definitely, is more plants. All right, we haven't got permission to do this, but we're gonna do it anyways. We're gonna go check out one of the accommodations. We won't go into our room because our room's kind of a mess right now. So we'll check out, uh-oh, there's somebody up in that room right now. So we'll check out this room. Is there anybody in this room? Okay.
Is it locked?
And it's locked.
It's locked.
All right.
This was our first room before.
So this was your first room before?
Yeah, I did a video of this.
It's locked right now. It wasn't locked yesterday. So we'll go check out another room, no problem. There's also a penthouse suite up there. I think these are all the same price, 30 bucks. So you got a nice balcony and you got even more breeze up there. They got nice little sitting areas. Hi, everybody. And if you're particularly adventurous, you can go down there and walk about 300 meters to the beach. The beach isn't much to write home about. It's a beach. So yeah, I'm not sure when this was built and developed, but it wasn't too long ago. I want to say like 4 or 5 years. Now that the tourists aren't allowed in, they're doing a lot of renovations on the rooms. And we'll actually check out one of those in a bit.
Before in the pink house, remember?
Yeah, we had this tree at the pink house. Did you see how small and well manageable it is. Ours grew to about, I don't know, 40 meters, and taller than the mango tree, and then during Odette it collapsed and died. We weren't there though. Again, it's a little day resort. You can come down and do some cooking. You guys got some cooking going on over there. Nice. They got some barbecue. Party. It's Saturday right now, so it's a beautiful day to get away with the family. We also got goats for lawn maintenance. Again, and they've paid a lot of attention to the landscaping, which I always appreciate. So it looks really nice.
When the typhoon Odette came, some of the trees fell too, but they started to plant more trees here.
And they also put them up on splints and canes like you did around our house.
Yeah.
And there was also a lot of people coming down here because they had power, and parts of Dumaguete didn't have power. Right here, if you like billiards, they got a billiards table. You can use this for free. That's actually the kitchen in there.
Yeah.
We won't go in there. But if you like billiards and you like goats, you know, you get 2 for 1.
And they got pigeons over there.
And yeah, pigeons.
And some birds, small birds, I don't know.
Maybe that's dinner. Squab, as we like to say. All right, let's go check out one of the rooms. Again, nice pool, shallow, nice.
This is the room that we like, room number 8.
Yeah, we're gonna go into room number 8. Now keep in mind that this is being renovated right now. This is the first room we were in. Again, they're renovating it. So, what are these called?
Bougainvillea?
Bougainvillea? Are these the ones with the thorns?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got little thorns on these.
Here, thorns.
Yeah, they got big thorns over here. Gotta watch out for that. All right, so the door's off this place. Now, what's cool about this room, and again, these are all the same price, about 30 bucks a night. It's got a little veranda out here, and it's got some plants up there. It's got a little swing. It's got some chairs out here, which is really nice.
This was our room and our second overnight here.
Yeah, and this is the one being renovated, so keep in mind it's being renovated. And there's also a lot of love going on here. And there seems to be a cat that's taken up residence. This usually has a refrigerator here. They got the sink. Again, everything is being renovated. They got the TV. Also, internet here is about 35 download, 14 upload. So you got good internet down here in Zamboanguita with PLDT. Now this is the master suite. Got an air conditioner in here. Also a fan, cabinetry. This is part of the area they're renovating right now. They're putting all down new tile. They don't have water heaters, but they have the water tanks on the roof. So the water is actually nice and warm.
No need for water heater.
No need for water heater. And take it from me, I'm always the first person to complain about cold water, but you won't find it here. In total, there's 13 units. Let's go wandering into one of the units, like I always do, because I forget which room we're in.
Somebody's living
This is the workers area, and you can tell this. The workers are staying here because you can see all the tools and stuff. And let's just bang in. Oh, somebody's in that room.
Pwede may i-videoan kami na room? Ay medyo kalat na ang among room. Yeah, she can do
It's okay?
Asa, she will give us another room so we can, because they're the same. Same
Okay.
bed. Yeah, room 2 na lang. Room 2, let's go to room 2.
Same time?
Yeah, same thing. Gumanon ba na mga video masyadong ano na lang dahil bill out?
Okay, and every room like has its own veranda, so you can come out here and sit. The breeze is always good. This is one of the rooms right here. You got more than enough bed space. Like last night, it was me, Chi Chai, Zoe, and Janice all crashed out on the same bed. TV, again, they got really good Wi-Fi, 35 download, 14 upload. Air conditioner works really good. They're small air conditioners, but they work really well. The bathroom is very nice. Very nice bathroom. You get your own towels, toilet paper, soap. And again, there's no water heater, but with the water tanks on the roof, it makes for a nice warm shower. So this is a nice place, again, to get away from Dumaguete, get away from the heat, the craziness, the congestion, come down here, just relax. Basically, yesterday, we had the place to ourselves. There's a couple families that came down here for the day, but it's quiet, it's peaceful, and we really like it. So without any further ado, let's conclude this short video. This is Ned.
Chichai.
We are My Philippine Dreams, and puppies, rainbows, unicorns, and resort getaways for all. See you next time.
Hey, if you consider our work to be of any value, consider supporting us on Patreon. If you're a Patreon, you get a free copy of my ebook, and we do monthly Google Hangouts. So consider doing that, if you would please.